Jump to 2 minutes and 40 seconds to go straight to the air fryers, or click on the timestamps in the description below. Watch till the end, because we will also be telling you some shocking facts about air fryers that the manufacturers don't want you to know. Before we move to the top 3 air fryers that are totally worth your money, let's go over some basics in case you're a first-time buyer. Air fryers are basically a modified version of convection ovens with powerful fans inside. The food goes inside a basket, and hot air is circulated all around it. Its design allows the hot air to flow evenly over all the food, making the food super crispy and super delicious. Air fryers come in many different styles, and depending on your specific requirements, one of these will be the best fit for your home. The first type is basket style. This is the most conventional and has been around for the longest time. It is mostly rounded and shaped like an egg, but having a round basket means less space for your food. Many brands have now launched rectangular basket air fryers which are more space efficient. This style is perfect for those with small families or bachelors who only cook a little at a time. It is also great if you have a small kitchen as it's as compact as air fryers get. The second one is dual basket air fryers, which were launched in the market recently and became popular very quickly. It lets you cook 2 completely different foods with different temperature and time settings at once. This is amazing if you have a big family or have dinner parties very often. The downside with these air fryers is that they're quite big, so you'll need extra space on your kitchen countertop. The third type is air fryer toaster ovens. They are countertop ovens which air fry, roast, bake, reheat, toast, broil, dehydrate, proof, and cook frozen foods. They have the biggest capacity out of all air fryers and can even fit whole brownie pans or casserole dishes. This makes them perfect for cooking in holidays when you have a lot of people over, or even in general if you have either a big family or if you like to cook in large batches. So now that we know the basics of air fryers, here are the only 3 air fryers that you should be looking at right now. Also coming up in just a little while is a well-kept secret that air fryer companies will never want you to know, so keep watching. At the number 3 spot in this list is the Ninja Foodi 8-quart DualZone air fryer. If you're already an air fryer user, it's time to take things to the next level with this dual basket beauty. It has some really unique features that we'll tell you about in just a moment. The DualZone technology lets you cook 2 different foods at once, so you save time, effort, and electricity all at the same time. It has an extra large 8-quart capacity that allows you to fit both mains and sides simultaneously so that you spend less time in the kitchen and more with your family and guests. It can fit a popping 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings at once. This air fryer features 2 independent zones of 4-quart capacity with their own cyclonic fans, rapid heaters, and cooking baskets. The time and temperature settings are independent for each zone. It has 6 customizable programs: air fry, roast, air broil, reheat, bake, and dehydrate. It offers a wide temperature range of 105 to 405 degrees Fahrenheit. Coming to the unique feature, this air fryer comes with crisper plates, which are special plates with holes that fit in your baskets and sit a little bit above the bottom of the tray. It allows the hot air to reach under your food as well so that it crisps up evenly from all sides. The baskets are easy to clean, and the crisper plates are dishwasher safe. Another unique feature is the Smart Finish feature that you won't get in other air fryers. It means that the food in both of your baskets will finish cooking at the same time, even if you set different modes, temperatures, and different times for them. For example, you put chicken in basket 1 and set it to air fry for 28 minutes at 400 degrees. And you put potato wedges in basket 2, set to roast at 360 degrees for 18 minutes. Thanks to the Smart Finish feature, they will both finish at the exact same time, so that you don't have to eat your meal in installments. Next time you decide to make fish and chips, the chips won't be getting soggy while the fish gets cooked. Another great feature in this air fryer is the Match Cook feature. It syncs the cooking settings across both of the zones if you want to cook a large batch of something in both the baskets at once. Although, a fact worth noting is that if you're using both the zones, they both take more time to finish cooking than if you were using just one zone. Talking of the design element, it looks slim and elite, with metal trims, classic dark gray surface, and rounded edges. It features large front handles which are convenient to hold and make it easy to shake and stir your food. The air fryer is compactly designed, and since the baskets fit side by side, Its overall height is also not too high to fit under your kitchen cabinets. The digital panel is very sleek without any rotating knobs, and the controls are fairly easy to use. Since this air fryer comes with a ton of features, you will definitely need to take a look at the manual a few times before you get the hang of things, especially for the smart finish and match cook features. The air fryer comes with a quick start guide which has simplified cooking charts with temperature, time, and all the preparation steps for 15 different types of dishes, and also separate instructions for using both or just one basket. This air fryer weighs under 18 pounds, which is good enough considering that it has twice the machinery of a regular air fryer. It comes with a decent sized cord of 2.6 feet in length. All the parts are dishwasher safe, and the plastic used in it is also completely BPA free. It has a wattage of 1760 watts and comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Now coming to the price, the Ninja Foodi DualZone air fryer will cost you just about $180. To be honest, you probably do not need to spend this kind of money on an air fryer if you're single, mostly eat outside, and are going to use your air fryer for cooking very little food every now and then. In that case, we would suggest you to keep watching because the air fryers coming up next in the video will be much better suited for you. But if you have a full-fledged family and you believe in making extravagant home-cooked meals on a regular basis, this air fryer will change your life for the better. A machine with the trusted brand name of Ninja that makes large quantities of 2 completely different foods at the same time, in the time usually required for one dish. This will be no less than a superpower for you, and it does full justice to its price tag. We give this air fryer 4 out of 5 stars. At the number 2 spot in this list, we have a product that'll completely replace 3 whole appliances in your kitchen. It is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. If you have spare space in your kitchen and a good budget to spend, you will greatly appreciate the functionality that you can get from this air fryer. It has an interior space of 1 cubic feet, and it can air fry a whole chicken, roast 1 small turkey of 14 pounds, toast a hopping 9 slices of bread, or dehydrate 4 trays of food at once. It will fully replace your regular oven, toaster, and air fryer. Even though it comes with a huge variety of settings, the electronic controls are really user-friendly. On top of that, it is an attractive-looking product that'll add elegance to your space. While this air fryer is priced quite high, we will tell you why it's completely worth the money. It is a rectangular and quite large countertop oven with a finish of brushed stainless steel and featuring a drop-down style door with towel bar style handle. This oven-style air fryer weighs just under 40 pounds, which is quite heavy, but it is made so beautifully that you'll want to show it off in your kitchen. It has an LCD display that is controlled with 2 dials and 2 buttons. It offers a total of 13 cooking functions, and the panel consists of settings for toasting, air frying, broiling, baking, slow cooking, preefing, dehydrating, and reheating. Programming the cooking settings is fairly easy, and you will be able to figure it out without a manual after some trial and error. It features super convection technology. It means that it has a 2-speed convection fan to offer better cooking control. It runs at 2 different settings, regular and super. This technology creates a greater volume of air inside the oven for faster and more even distribution of heat, and is perfect for roasting, dehydrating, and air frying. The heating elements come with a sensing and temperature controlling technology. This lets the heating elements move the heat where it's needed the most depending on what you're cooking, leading to perfectly cooked food every time. There are 2 main downsides to this air fryer. First one is that some of its surfaces become pretty hot while cooking, but the controls and handle remain cool. And the second downside is that none of its removable parts are non-stick or dishwasher safe. Because of this, the air fryer basket is a little difficult to clean. According to users, if your kitchen is compact with not enough air circulation, the air fryer will steam up at the top sometimes, but that doesn't affect the appliance or the cooking in any way. You get a very detailed manual explaining the care and usage, but it does not have any recipes or cooking charts. However, an e-recipe book can be downloaded off the company's website. According to our users, this air fryer does exceptionally well at baking and roasting chicken. It comes with a hefty price tag of $400, but if you consider the fact that it can single-handedly function as an air fryer, an oven, and a toaster, and performs exceptionally well at all 3, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is worth the damage to your pocket. Before we tell you which is the best air fryer that is worth every dollar you spend, here is a shocking fact that air fryer manufacturers do not want you to know. While we all know that air frying your food is a healthier option than deep frying it, simply making any recipe in an air fryer does not automatically make it healthier. This is a major misconception amongst people that cooking any pre-fried foods such as fish sticks or frozen chicken nuggets in an air fryer will somehow make it healthier. This is simply not true. Using an air fryer will certainly make these foods perfectly crispy and delicious, but they won't be any healthier as compared to cooking them in a regular oven. Now for the number 1 spot in this list, we have the Instant Vortex 6-quart air fryer combo. This is a no-frills, an extremely consistent air fryer that does what it's supposed to do without any bells, whistles, or extra features. It has 4 functions: bake, roast, reheat, and air fry. It is a single basket air fryer with a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can cook a wide variety of dishes at the appropriate temperatures. The basket is extremely easy to slide in and remove, and it also has a tray with holes in it so that air can circulate under the food. This also allows for the oil and fat from chicken or pork to drip down, leading to less oily and crispier results. This air fryer is also great for reheating leftovers like pizza or fries. You can just select its air frying function and set the temperature to 400 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. The control panel on this air fryer is probably the simplest, most straightforward, and easiest to use out of all air fryers in the market. All the buttons on the panel are self-explanatory. The fryer beeps when it's preheated, then again halfway through cooking when the food needs to be shaken or flipped. It's a very convenient feature if you're multitasking and don't plan on standing in the kitchen while the food cooks. Even if you forget, the fryer will let you know it's time to give it a good toss. There is a light built into the air fryer that allows you to see the progress of your food without removing the drawer. Only the Breville oven air fryer and this Instant Vortex has this see-through feature. The basket is extremely easy to clean as it is non-stick and super slick. The food gets wiped away easily, and it can also be put in the dishwasher. The air fryer features some great safety features as well. It has an auto-off sensor that turns the air fryer off when not in use, making it great for homes with little children who might just switch it on while playing. It also has inbuilt overheating protection. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, and the parts can also be separately purchased. As it has a big cooking basket and very easy controls, it is great if you have a busy family and are just trying to get healthy meals together in a short time, without being in the kitchen for an eternity. The basket can easily fit a 4-pound chicken or 2 pounds of fries, but the air fryer is still compactly designed and won't take up too much space. Since its functionality is so simplified, it is the perfect choice for beginner home cooks. While many other air fryers have tons of extra features, this one will get the same job done well while keeping it simple. It has all the features that are needed to take care of daily cooking needs in a regular household. And the best part is that it couldn't be more reasonably priced. It comes at an unbelievably affordable price of just $100, putting it in the reach of those with tight budgets as well. We couldn't ask for anything more from an air fryer, and the Instant Vortex 6-quart air fryer deserves 5 out of 5 stars. All in all, the 3 air fryers that we talked about are all equally good, and which one you select depends on your personal needs. If cooking is your passion and you like to devote a good chunk of your time planning and preparing a wide variety of meals for the whole family, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro will make you very happy, but you will also need a spacious kitchen and a good budget for it. If you like eating different homemade dishes regularly or are trying to commit to a healthier lifestyle, but you don't enjoy spending too much time in the kitchen, then you should go for the Foodi DualZone Air Fryer. If you live alone in a small apartment or you're new to cooking and will cook only occasionally, or if you can't splurge too much on a multifunction elaborate appliance, we suggest you go for the Instant Vortex. That's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Up on Top for more such content. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments section below.